How to insert a video into Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to insert a video inside Google Docs. So Google Docs doesn't allow direct video embedding, but with a quick workaround, we will make it work seamlessly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Docs and here make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the Google Docs, you can either create a new document or open the existing one. For this video, I'm going to simply open the blank document. And here, once you're inside the Google Doc document, as I have said earlier, Google Doc doesn't allow you to embed video directly. So to embed a video or insert a video on the Google Docs, we're going to simply head to the Google Drive first. So here, make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you're inside the Google Drive, simply upload the new video. So here, I'm going to simply upload it by clicking on the new button, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen, and once I click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, I'm going to simply click on File Upload and simply upload the video which I want to insert in the Google Docs. And here, once I have uploaded the file, I'm going to simply copy the link. So here, it's a video that I have uploaded earlier, so I'm going to simply right click on it, and from the pop-up menu, I'm going to simply click on Share. And after that, on the next pop-up menu, I'm going to simply click on Copy Link. And here, once I'm done copying the link, I'm going to simply open the video and take the screenshot of it. So here, I'm going to simply take the screenshot of it. And once I've done taking the screenshot, I'm going to simply head over to the Google Docs and paste the screenshot right here. And here, once I'm done pasting the screenshot, I'm going to simply right click on the screenshot, and from the pop-up menu, I'm going to simply click on Insert Link. And here on the text box, I'm going to simply paste the link that I have copied earlier and click on Apply. And once you do it, your videos has been successfully embedded into the Google Docs. Now, when you click on the screenshot, you'll see the link below it. So if I click on that, it will direct me to the video. And that's it. That's how you can insert a video on Google Docs. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.